Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. Today we will learn how to delete or auto-delete chat message on Telegram app. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, click on Telegram app icon. We'll try to delete and set auto delete message. Let's try this one. Click on three dots which show on top right. After that, click on clear history. Here you got message. Are you sure you want to clear your chat history with person me? If you want to clear history, just press on clear history here. This is for delete message directly. If you want to make auto delete message in this chat, here you can scroll a little down bit. You can find here option from off 24 hours, 7 days. If you press on 24 hours, it means that all message will be deleted in this chat after 24 hours. You can extend to 7 days by press on 7 days. Let's try to make it 24 hours. After that, press confirm. Here you got message, new message in this chat will be automatically deleted in 24 hours. Here we reach the end of the video. In this video we explain how to delete directly chat or set auto delete chat on Telegram with someone. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.